Hi again, everybody. It is Wednesday night, just before 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm making the Thursday video tonight, so I won't be able to get the early morning stuff for you tomorrow. I'm going to recap today real quick, and then we'll take a look at some pH times for tomorrow. Our expected down move this morning off of the red line or the green line, blue line inverted and went up into our time zone. So we had the big white block here on the A2 panel on the Vedic chart, and we had the two smaller white and green blocks on the A1 panel. So I was looking for this in this area, and we got that high right at the end of the green block right there, right at the end of the A1. I didn't do a great job on that rectangle there. There we go. That's where it belongs. So you can see that high came in right at the end of that little window. We made a spike high there above that, and then we traded down not far, so there was not a whole lot once that window came in. Then it went and made a new high, and then we got into the area of the close and the kind of the dead time in the market after 4:30. So we're not getting nothing in this window yet. It's possible we could still see something. We have a little bit of time left there, but I don't anticipate much happening here on that. For tomorrow, we've got a cross current on the blue line, green line, which is going to come in tonight around 9:30. So we'll see which way this works out. We do have a spike down on the blue line coming in at about 26 minutes after midnight Eastern time, and then we're going to have some sort of a reversal there. That's also coincident with this minor top on the green line, which then treks down. And then once we get to about 5:44, the green line turns up, and then the blue line turns back down at 6:36. I'm sorry, that was 6:05, then 6:36. So we go back to cross current again, so it's hard to say which way that's going to go. We're still in this larger white window on the A3 panel. This is going to go through tomorrow until 12:40. We don't have another timing window on A2 in there, but what we want to look at is the key pivot points on the blue line. This one's later. This one's at 11:29, so you're going to want to pay attention to these yet as we move through the evening, morning into tomorrow. So key potential pivot around 12:30 tonight. Another one on the spike on the blue line high at 5:55 a.m. We bounce off the zero line at 9:10, and then another key point at 11:30. That high coincides with the green line high. So 11:30 tomorrow could be a key time, and that could be a new high, a new trading high in this larger white window. It's possible we get that tomorrow around the 11:30 area. So we'll see what happens with that, and then we get a little bit of cross current again. That downward projection is going to go till about 240, 245, and then the lines diverge again. So we'll see how that works out. So we could be looking at a high up here maybe around 11:35. I would look at it like that, and I always trade accordingly with the time triggers in the market and the price pattern. Let me go to the pH and give you the turn times for tomorrow. Okay, here's the pH with the preset trigger points. I won't be able to give you the other ones obviously because I don't have the overnight high and low projection points yet, but we have first point's going to be between 614 and about 622. The end of the P2 segment at 723. The end of the P3 segment at 1043. Then the afternoon trigger 1402 to 1409 area. And then the last one of the day is going to come in at about 1509, 9 minutes after 3 p.m. So that's what we got going for tomorrow. That's it for today. Don't forget to stop back into perfectstormtrading.com and sign up for the contest. And we'll be back on Friday with another video for you. We'll talk to you then.